Why not reinvent the crowbar? The result is on your screen. This tool will help you with demolition and dismantling jobs of all kinds, from the ground to the roof. The top-of-the-line option costs $125 and offers 60 inches of power. Roof sheathing, deck boards, drywall, steel fasteners, simple. The model weighs about 10.5 pounds, and thanks to the wheels, reduces arm strain. The clever design of the top allows you to work without bending over unnecessarily. I've used the 48-inch version on plastered walls. It is a beast, writes an impressed owner. This connector is a versatile solution for pipe connections in various applications. It is suitable for use by private builders and public utilities alike and can join pipes of different thicknesses and materials, such as plastic or concrete. With a nominal diameter of 12 to 94.5 inches and a maximum angle of 11 degrees, this connector is designed to withstand ground movement and prevent any issues that may arise from pipe connections. The material used to make this connector is PVCU or polyvinyl chloride, which is commonly used in pipes for various applications, including carrying chemicals. As a result, the connector can also withstand sewage and other corrosive materials without any problems. Here is an accessory to help you with grounding rods, used to safely work with various machines, equipment, and tools that, without a ground connection, build up a charge that can cause an electric shock. The manufacturer offers two models for driving rods, at 3/4 or 1 inch from ground level. The accessory makes it possible to dispense with the sledgehammer and is especially useful if the rods are large and the work is being done on a slope. In addition, the rods usually have to be driven to a depth of about 10 feet below the frost line. The end receiver on both models is hexagonal, and the design is already patented. A versatile product that will interest foresters, gardeners, gamekeepers, and other professionals working in nature. It allows them to remove unwanted shrubs and trees from the ground much easier without using chemicals and without leaving roots behind. You'll need only $75 to purchase this grabber that attaches to tractors up to 45 horsepower, ATVs, buggies, and other similar equipment. The 16 teeth are set up to grip plants up to about 3 inches thick so securely that the manufacturers have already applied for a patent. On your screen is the result of the work done by a single person. The next product is a more sophisticated tool. Experts have probably instantly recognized this digital torque wrench. It's used to tighten joints to a given torque, for example, on a car suspension. The version you're looking at is the work of a German company. It has a color touchscreen. The price is staggering. Depending on the version, it reaches about $8,500. However, it's packed with different functions. The wrench can be configured via a PC and has an optional 2D scanning system, as well as compatibility with XML format and other bells and whistles. It also features Wi-Fi connectivity and plus or minus 1% measurement accuracy. And of course, the range not only displays data on the screen but also emits acoustic and vibration signals.